Okay, CES 2026. Today I'm taking a look at the Lexar booth, and I've got Sherry here. What do you got going on today?
Hi, I'm Chiang. I'm the product marketing manager at Lexar. Here you can look at our portable SSD products. The first one is the ES5 MagSafe compatible product. So this portable SSD, we just launched it in September last year. It got the compact design and rugged design, so it can support up to IP65 dust and waterproof and drop resistant up to 3 meters. So it's 9.8 feet.
That's impressive.
And this is the MagSafe compatible. If you have an iPhone or your case can support a magnetic feature, then you can attach to your phone.
Yeah.
And then this is the cable.
Oh,
so
smart.
You can
Okay.
connect to your phone and start recording the 4K ProRes, 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second.
That's excellent. So if you don't want to use up all the data on your phone, you can use that there as external storage.
Exactly.
Okay, that's awesome.
Second product, Go Portable SSD with hub. This is the portable SSD itself is very compact, very tiny. 1050 meg per second read and 1000 meg per second write.
That's excellent.
Yeah, so it can support the 4K 60 frames per second recording on your iPhone.
Sure.
It also features the IP65 dust and waterproof.
What's the little pocket there on the front? Is that just a cover?
I mean this one?
Yes.
So this one is a hub. So for professional mobile filmmakers, once you plug in the portable SSD, there's no extra Type-C connectors. You probably need to connect to your microphone, your lighting, or a power bank.
Right.
So this hub gives you 4 Type-C connectors. So you can plug in your portable SSD. We also include the adapter here. So you can plug in your microphone, your power bank, and the lighting is connecting to your gimbal. So this will be your professional mobile filmmaking setup. The last product is the new product that we announced at CES. Air portable SSD.
Okay.
So you can kind of hold it. It's very light. It's just 19 grams.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
That feels like I'm holding nothing. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's why we call it air portable SSD.
Wow, that's impressive. I like that a lot.
Yeah.
So there's that a loop, so if you want to just put a string of them on your neck around something like that, you can do that?
Yeah. We also see the trend that consumers or everyday users use the smartphones to capture photos and videos more than ever.
Right.
But all the smartphones still with the limited built-in storage, extra storage to free up your smartphones.
Yeah.
So this product is designed for that. So Lexar also offers a free app. So you can automatically back up your content from your phone to the portable SSD.
That's cool. I like that a lot.
I think this one is very interesting. So this is the Armor SD card Go series. So you can also touch it. It's a metal SD card.
Wow, yeah, it feels like it. That is heavy duty. And we can see all those contacts on the back, so that is going to be able to handle the bandwidth that you get out of cameras that can actually use that. Yeah, I love the metal feel of that. That is super heavy duty.
There's no rip in the back. There's no ride protection. The whole design is very rugged and durable.
Yeah.
And then this, because it's a metal card, so it's 37 times stronger than a standard plastic SD card.
For sure, and if you're going around and carrying things around with you, that can really come in handy, especially with as klutzy as I am with all my stuff.
Yes, so yeah, this one is very rugged for creators.
So what kind of metal are we looking at? Is it magnesium, aluminum?
Aluminum.
Aluminum, okay, cool.
Micro SD Silver Plus 2 terabyte. So this product is the world's fastest 2 terabyte available right now. So the read speed can go up to 255 megabits per second, 145% faster than a standard UHS 1 micro SD card. Action cameras and drones in 4K, 6K, or 8K. Efficiency is everything right now.
Right. So you might even be able to just do all the, like what you're saying, post-processing or even just editing. You could probably edit directly off the card if you wanted to at that kind of speed.
Exactly. To achieve this performance at 2 terabyte, we use self-developed controller, deliver the sustained performance and reliability.
That's awesome. This was the one reason that I came to the Lexar booth. I wanted to look at this card specifically. I'm very glad that I got to see it. That is a very cool card. Okay, it's been an absolute pleasure. Was there anything else that I'm missing out?
We just announced our partnership with AFA Team, the Argentinian Football Association. So we will have 2 limited edition portable SSD available in April. That's one of the exciting announcements that we had at CES.
Okay, awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. You have a great day.
Thank you.
Right on.